A quiet young man on the pavilion steps, yesterday's loaf ends crumbling in his hands. At his command, it seems, gulls wheel and keen for bread and circle him with clear light in the cold grey rain. He waits there, grave and silent, haloed with wings like young St. Cuthbert in the cathedral glass. Shitehawks from off the tip, the groundsman's lad, suburban football field, and stale bread from the shop. Blessed are the fields today, where the wild birds are fed, and white wings shimmer through the falling rain.